Want to know how to stay focused? Coming up, I'm going to give you 4 tips. So, you're having trouble focusing, you want to be more effective. Tip 1, stop multitasking. Multitasking diverts your attention. It diffuses your attention to multiple things, therefore taking it longer to complete one task. So my suggestion is set blocks of time, even if it's 30 minutes. 30-minute concentration on one task will get way more done than focusing for 3 hours on 3 tasks. Trust me, it works. And I am the queen of multitasking. And I have been constantly trying to streamline my business ideas, my thoughts, my family, so I can focus on one task at a time and get more done. So focus on one thing at a time, even if it's 15, 20 minutes, you get more energy. Think of it, when you put the sunlight through a magnifying glass, you can burn a piece of paper. As when the sun shines on the earth, it just warms the whole planet. So stop the multitasking. Number 2, create routine blocks. Okay, now we're talking about the specific time. Create the routine blocks of specific time. So map your life out in specific time blocks. Like say if you're gonna do gardening. Okay, I'm gonna do 30 minutes a day. You go in the back and that's all you focus on for 30 minutes is your garden. Even if it's a small amount of time, you'll get more done. You have your business, 2 hours. You might have 2 hours a day you want to do on your business. And that's all you do. You're not going to be watching YouTube while you're doing it. You're not going to be Facebooking and texting. All you're going to be doing is working on your business. 3, one main goal. It is also very effective to have a goal theme per month. It could be a month to 4 months. Pick a certain time frame. Like say, if you're trying to get something achieved, give yourself, I would say at least 3 months, because sometimes 1 month isn't enough, especially if you have lots of other things you're working on. But I'd say at least 3 to 4 months, block of time. Like say if your idea is to work on a certain business objective, give yourself a month to 4 months to just focus on that. So every time you stop and you spend an hour, that's all you're focusing on. You'll be amazed at the intricacies and detail that you can get into when you, that's all you're focusing on. When you're focusing on multiple things, there's so many details and intricacies and things that you can get into that it can, 1, you become overwhelmed. 2, you'll find that you're not making much progress, which will cause you to feel discouraged and probably give up.
School them again, I think they missed that lesson. Stop trying to put me in a box. I'm a spiritual warrior, that's why my head is full of locks. I said, stop trying to put me in a box. I'm a spiritual warrior, that's why my head is full of dreadlocks, not locks.
So 4, a miscellaneous thought notebook. This is essential. And if you're someone who's an ultra creative or empath, intuitive, anything, we just keep getting ideas and just things popping in. This is also sort of like multitasking. This is a problem with the multitasking, because you see so much things going on and you're like, oh, let me do this, let me do that, let me do this. But a miscellaneous notebook, so every time you get this idea, jot it down, because I know you're so afraid you're gonna forget it and you can get back to it. And then, set a time when you go through your notebook. Also, there's a great app, called Trello, which I've been using, where if I'm anywhere, it's on my phone, it's on my iPad, it's on my laptop. Anywhere I am, I can log in and I can put my ideas on that list. And then stay focused on what my main objective is, so I don't be scattered and I don't lose inspirational thoughts at the same time. So these are my 4 ways to stay focused. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Check out my other videos. Check out You Are Sacred University. for new and upcoming classes, some free classes. Go to takayutemple.com and also join sacredmetaphysicalsisters.com. And also look for me on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Have a sacred day.
Straight from my temple, coming from my dome. I feel the tension, I feel the tension, I feel the tension. I do not have to mention. Straight from my temple.